guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're heading to Dollar General. We're going to be doing a quick $5 challenge. We're going to be grabbing a few things. We're going to be using some coupons along with some store promotions that are going on, and then one little glitch coupon that if you're not comfortable using, then feel free not to do the deal, but if you don't mind, then you can go ahead and do it. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button with the bell so you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. And if you are returning, thank you so much for clicking on the video and coming to join me again on another adventure. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for our first item, we're going to go ahead and grab one of these Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. I really enjoy or like the Colgate Max Fresh more than all the other ones. So if you notice, I always tend to grab this toothpaste over all the others. There is no coupon for this toothpaste today, but it is part of a promotion that is going on right now at Dollar General. Let me go ahead and show that to you really quick. So this save $3 when you spend $10 on Ajax, Palmolive, Suavitel, or Fabuloso. For some reason is attaching to all the Colgate items, or not all of them, but a few of them. And the Colgate Max toothpaste is one item that it is attached. The next item is going to be the Colgate toothbrush, priced at $3. This is another Colgate item that same spend $10 get $3 off is attaching to. There is also a $2 off coupon that you can go ahead and clip to your account. That'll drop this toothpaste down from $3 to only $1. Let me go ahead and show that to you now. This is the $2 off coupon that I am referring to for the Colgate toothpaste manual toothbrush. The next item we're going to go ahead and grab is this Colgate mouthwash, priced at $5. It is also that spend $10 get $3 off promotion is also attaching to the mouthwash. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and grab one of those, and there is a $2 coupon for that. This is the $2 coupon that I am referring to for the mouthwash. The next item that I am going to grab today is these Tide Simply Pods, priced at $2.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon, which I will show you in a minute. But be careful, because there is also a $1 off digital coupon for Tide Simply. But if you clip both of them, the $1 off will come off at the register. So make sure to only clip the $2 one. This is the $2 off coupon that I'm referring to, and also another glitch. This $2 coupon is supposed to be for the Tide original, like the orange container, but it is attaching to this Tide Simply Pods. So yeah, if you're not comfortable with doing this one, don't do it. But if you don't mind this glitch, 95 cents laundry suite. So we are going to be grabbing 4 items, totaling us $13.70. We have $6 in digital coupons that we can go ahead and apply to our transaction. And then we have that $3 off for the store promotion for the spend $10 get $3 off. So we have a total of $9 in savings, dropping our $13.70 down to $4.70. After tax, so tax in my area would be 75 cents. So after tax, it'll bring you to $5.45 for all 4 of these items. Now, to me, this is pretty good. You're getting toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash. So you'll have some, good oral care going on. And then you'll have some Tide Simply laundry soap to go ahead and wash your clothes. So you won't have any stink clothes. You won't be stink. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video with a friend if you do enjoy it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.